Good morning, students. Welcome to Alga online class of Mascot School of Excellence at home. Students, today we are going to cover day 4 of unit 4. Let's start our today's class with phonics. Today we will practice reading words by joining the sounds. See, students, tell me what is the beginning sound of this word? Yes. Mm. Mm. Middle sound. E. E. Tell me what is the end sound of this word? Ge. Ge. Can you join the sounds? Yes. So, join the sounds. M. E. G. M. E. G. M. E. G. So, what is the word? Mug. Mug. Repeat after me. Mug. Now see, students, what is the beginning sound of this word? He. He. Middle sound. E. E. And end sound. Ge. H. E. G. H. E. G. Join the sounds. H. E. G. H. E. G. So, what is the word? Hug. 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 Repeat after me. Hug. Now, tell me, what is the beginning sound of this word? Yes. B. B. Middle sound. E. E. And end sound. G. B. E. G. B. E. G. So, what is the word? Bug. 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 Repeat after me. Bug. Now see, next word. What is the beginning sound of this word? B. B. Tell me, what is the middle sound? E. E. And what is the end sound? D. D. B. E. D. B. E. D. B. E. D. So, join the sounds. B. E. D. Bud. Bud. The word is bud. Bud. Now, I want to all of you to open your SR 3. See, students, now we will try to read some sentences. First, look at me how I am reading it, and then you will practice doing the same. See, students, read these sentences. First sentence, I like to play in the mud. मड. जो हमें ये ब्लैक कलर में जो वर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं, ये बेटा क्या है? होल वर्ड्स. इनको हम एज इट इज़ बोलेंगे जैसे ये हमें दिखाई दे रहे हैं. बट जो ब्लू कलर में वर्ड्स लिखे हैं वो क्या हैं? फोनिक्स. उनको हम लेटर साउंड्स ज्वाइन करके ही रीड करेंगे. और कैसे करेंगे? शोल्डर टू रिस्ट मूवमेंट. ओके, डू यू नो? हैंड स्ट्रेची. वेरी गुड. लेट्स रीड विद मी. आई लाइक टू प्ले इन द mud. I like to play in the mud. Second, she is my best bud. Bud. She is my best bud. She is my best bud. Third sentence, the plant has a bud. Bud. The plant has a bud. The plant has a bud. See, next sentence 4. Read with me. There is a ball in the mad, mad, mad. There is a ball in the mud. There is a ball in the mud. There is a ball in the mud. Now see next. A bird in the mud. 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 These are adverb family sentences. Now see adverb family sentences. Read these sentences. See the first sentence. The bag is in my egg. This bug is in my mug. This bug is in my mug. This bug is in my mug. Read next sentence. Do you want a egg? Egg. Do you want a hug? Do you want a hug? Do you want a hug? See third sentence. Read with me. There is a bug. Bug in the egg. There is a bug in the rug. There is a bug in the rug. There is a bug in the rug. Read fourth sentence. A blue egg mug is on the rug. A blue mug is on the rug. A blue mug is on the rug. A blue mug is on the rug. See fifth sentence. Read with me. Put water in the egg jug and the egg mug. Put water in the jug and the mug. Put water in the jug and the mug. Put water in the jug and the mug. I hope students आपको sentences read करना आ गया है, तो आप इसकी एक बार फिर से प्रैक्टिस करोगे. साउंड्स को ज्वाइन करके वर्ड बोलना और sentences read करना. With these students, we are now end of our phonics section. Okay, students, let's move on our next alga part, that is whole words. That is whole words. First of all, open your SR16 and see the whole words. Let's recap some whole words that we have learnt in last unit. Okay, see, recap words. Has, left to right. Learn left to right. Has, repeat after me. Has. Now see next word. So, repeat after me. So. Next word. We, repeat after me. We. Now see next word. Off, repeat after me. Off. Now see next word. In, repeat after me. In. And the last word is from, repeat after me. From. Now let's revise some new whole words that we have learned in last class. Learn these. Now we will learn how to write the spellings of the words. Okay, see, our first word was went. W-E-N-T, went, went. Repeat after me. Went, went. Repeat after me. Went. W-E-N-T, W-E-N-T, W-E-N-T. Now learn the spelling of this word. Set, set. S-A-I-D, S-A-I-D, set, set, set. Now see next word. It, it, it. Learn with spelling I-T, it, it, it. And the last word is was, 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 W-A-S, was, was. Repeat after me. Was, was. Let's revise one more time. First word is went, W-E-N-T, W-E-N-T. Repeat after me. Learn the spelling of these words, these whole words. W-E-N-T, W-E-N-T. Next word, set, S-A-I-D, set, S-A-I-D, set, S-A-I-D. Repeat after me. S-A-I-D, set, S-A-I-D, set, S-A-I-D, set. See next word. It, I-T, it, I-T, it, I-T, it, I-T, it, I-T, it. Repeat after me. It, it. Now learn next word. Was, W-A-S, 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 was, 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 was. Repeat after me. Was. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको स्पेलिंग्स लर्न हो गई हैं, तो अब आप इनकी स्पेलिंग्स को अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे, ठीक है। बिना देखे पहले इनको याद करोगे स्पेलिंग्स को, और उसके बाद क्या करोगे, अपनी नोटबुक में इन स्पेलिंग्स को लिख के देखना है। इन होल वर्ड्स की स्पेलिंग को लिखना है आपने अपनी नोटबुक में, ओके। विद दी स्टूडेंट्स वी आर नाउ एंड ऑफ अवर होल वर्ड सेक्शन, ओके।